How to change music on Instagram Reel after posting. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Over here, you're going to find all of your reel and the post. Now head towards the reel for which you want to change the music. Launch it. At the top right corner of the reel, you're going to find three dots. Click on that. Different options will appear as hide likes, hide show count, archive, and many more. But you won't find the option to change the music. At the moment, within Instagram, there is no such feature to change the music after posting. Instead, what you can do is share this reel to your story along with the music. To do that, you can click on the share icon, click on the option add to story. Now at the top, you're going to find the music icon. Click on that. Different music option will appear. From this list, you can select any of the music and upload it as a story. Just click on the song. You will be able to select the clip duration, likewise, template, and then select the particular part of the music. Once you are done, you can click on the option of done and upload it. At the moment, this feature is only available within Instagram. But if in the future Instagram comes up with the feature to change music in the reel that has been already uploaded, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.